So here we are out today. A bit cloudy, but it's warm, but the breeze is quite nice. So we'll just go out this way towards Llandurnog, and then we'll turn towards the top of the first hill, towards Llandynnis, down towards Llanbedr, then back over the tops, back towards Llanguifan, up towards Aberwheeler, Bodfari, Trevor and home. Well, that's the plan. So, see how things go. Bring you back later if anything interesting happens. See you in a bit. So here we are. I'm going to try Lady Baggots Drive. I've only ever come down it with that winter, or in winter, with lights on. So we'll give it a go on the way up. See how it goes. Might get turned back. We'll see how we get on. See you later. So here we are. I'm giving Lady Baggots Drive a go. I know I'm not supposed to come up here, but can't see why not. I've never done it this way before. I've only come down, and that was in the winter, in the mud, and with lights on. So it'll be interesting to see what it's like going up. As you can see, it is quite rough, but it's doable. So anything interesting happens, I'll bring you back. See you in a bit. So as you can see, the river there was really, really nice. Not much of a flow today. Not had much rain these last couple of weeks. And the track's a bit smoother now. So there's a few sticking out rocks and protruding roots. Other than that, not so bad. So it's pretty steady all the way up towards Cyffredin, and I'll decide which way I'm going to come back when I get up there. See what time it is. I'll bring you back later. Stay a bit. Bye. Bit of a steady climb here. Still on Lady Baggots. Nice. No breeze in here. Hot. Sweating bucket. Just coming on the back way into Llanguifan now, up to Llandurnog, and then home. I don't know what's happened today, just got no energy. Whew. On today, is it? I'm not sure if it's the Three Castles car rally. I think it is. The usual one that runs today. Runs. We're going to hit 50.